See it.
Watch the surge as it comes up, biggest set of the morning.
We have Greg Longings. He had a great ride earlier, and he announced at the opening ceremony that this would be his last event. He wants to open it up for other up-and-coming surfers to give them an opportunity. He's a past winner and big wave charger, and already he's got a great score on the board and looking good today. Should be positioning themselves to ride out on the jet ski, waiting for their chance to take on the lineup. We're still in the first heat only, and we see great action, and the game just getting going. It gets better and better.
Coming up in heat 2, Ciara Lawrence, Laura Enova, Billy Kemper, Joey Hadid, Jamie Mitchell, McCool Rothman, Jamie O'Brien, Aikau, flying the flag for the Aikau family,
And Tori Meister, what a heat.
What a heat coming up. Heat number 2. Surfers, you can see them sitting in the lineup with near the jet skis, waiting for their moment to paddle across into the lineup.
What a heat. It's like an all-star heat.
Well, just to,
Great big wave rider.
and just to be invited to this event, you know, such a compliment to your, to your progression, to your commitment, your dedication to riding big waves. You love the ocean because you can't get to this level of surfing without a lifelong commitment.
I believe it's Tori Meister's first invite. I could be wrong, but I know he's been charging big waves everywhere he goes to Jaws. He's got no fear out there. I'm so excited to see him take this lineup, and I think you can expect to see some great rides from Tori Meister.
Oh, I think we're going to see some rides coming up very soon,
Oh boy,
Buzzy.
here they come.
Big
Another set.
white lines approaching the lineup.
Martin, have you seen much of Tori Meister surfing?
Particularly online, but the stuff that he does whenever it's played with consequence, whether that's pipelining backdoor or jaws, he's an incredible young surfer.
Malaya, when Malaya was bombing, it's like, he got some incredible rides out there as well.
And you can tell it's difficult out there, Buzzy, because we thought that it was going to be a big set, kind of tapered off. A lot of the energy went a little bit wide at the break where the surfers are. You can see the lines out in the dark water approaching again now. They're the biggest ones, aren't they, when they appear way out onto the horizon.
Yeah, it's tricky to read it. Sometimes the sets, you see them stacking up, it's going to be good. That one didn't pan out, but I think this one is. I think this one's going to get right in the middle of the bay. I mean, it doesn't get better than this. This is just absolutely perfect.
Surfers float over the first one. What's behind it? Surfers positioning.
the reef. It's stacking up, and we've got riders.
Yeah, boys, crossing the river. Hold up.
Aikau out in the front, the purple jersey. Right, the clean tape. Nice ride for Aikau. Next one's kind of stretching right across the bay.
Yeah, guys, this is going to be a very large set. Over here on the left side, behind the rocks, under the trees, you guys need to back up. Everybody back up. Very large surge is coming. Get back behind the caution tape. It's there for a reason.
First closeout set of the day. You can see the jet ski on the inside there, patrolling for safety measures to make sure that they understand that situation. So if a surfer is in there at some other point in the day, they know what the conditions are like. They're able to get in there and rescue the surfers. Just rehearsing, basically, for what's to come later in the day. Here comes another set.
On the outside, Bart.
Surface positioning. We talk about having to stay on the ledge. You can't paddle too far out, or you'll miss the wave. Here we go, paddling.
Oh, move.
Riding. Red long.
Another one.
Big waves now. Definitely built from when we started this heat already. That's what we're expecting. Way deep on this one. Shoot right.
Jefferson on another one.
Yeah,
Looking
blue.
at the barrel, that one can't quite have the right barrel. Came around that one still.
We're down to 6 minutes remaining in the heat. 4 sets out the back. Let's hear it for these surfers in heat 1.
People on shore, prepare. The set may wash up.
Already.
On the other side of the bay, this is an incredible set.
Oh, seeing a little less in this set right here. Who we got? Looks like Eli Olsen and Russell Birke on that last wave.
If you're sitting down in the sand right now, make sure you grab your belongings, your children, your cell phones.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
5 minutes remaining in the heat. 5 minutes.
For some reason, he thought they were coming today, and I told him like 3 times they weren't.
Amy Erickson, dropping down, coming around. Getting from the riders. She took that ride. Awesome. Amy Erickson.
the best wave ridden by our female competitor so far today. We got 2 females out there. Look at this.
Another set.
So Orange is coming in. Either he got 4 waves already or something went on. Let's take a look down here. It's looking like Greg Long. So Greg Long came into this event. He got doctor's approval to serve. He's definitely dealing with injury. This is his last Eddie, guys. And he came down here to serve this event. He's not 100%, but he's gotten almost through this heat, so we're hoping he's okay. Going into this heat, we already knew that this was his last event, and he's coming in with an injury. You can see he's got a knee brace on. I'm not sure what the extent of his injuries are. But ladies and gentlemen, on the shore, put your hands together for Orange Greg Long. 2009 Eddie Aikau champion, Greg Long.
Got some bombs already.
So it's 4 waves ridden. Once you ride 4 waves, you have to leave the lineup. I'm not sure if it's 4 waves or maybe his injury is bothering him a little bit. We'll get an update on that. We're down to 2.5 minutes.
The short break, that is tricky. These guys make it look easy. It's not easy navigating. We're 1 heat in and there's already been so much action, and I see another set stacking up. This heat's about to wind down. What's our time? 140 left. We need one more set for heat 1. One more set coming in on the outside.
All right, so we're counting down in this heat. We've got 1 minute and 15 seconds. We're going to have just enough time for a potential last ride as we see this massive swell on the horizon.
Yeah, everyone crossing the river, hustle. Get over there with attention.
All right, guys, keep your eyes on the lineup out there.
They're looking over. They paddle over that first one. They see it. He's going to be in position. This is the biggest one today. Number 3.
Counting down.
Awesome.
Let's see if somebody can
Close up right across the bay.
Right there, while the lifeguard was patrolling the inside, we see Eli Olsen in that same spot where the Hawaiian Water Patrol just was. They're coming in to get him right now.
So, ladies and gentlemen, that NT1 we're on a hold right now. We just saw Luke Jefferson replicate what he did 2 years ago and ride one of the most amazing waves to see what the score is going to be. That's why Luke Jefferson was the wave of the day as far as size and what massive.
What an opening heat, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. The Eddie Island South, Redline Rip Cove, is on and it's only getting bigger. We've seen those sets start and close out across the channel. The lifeguards picking up Eli Olsen after an incredible ride, getting him back to safety. Waiting on the start of heat 2 is just to liberate those final rides right at the end of that heat cover.
Riders on that one, they all got room for each other, they'll all get a good score. There's Cloud coming up the beach in the purple. Another great heat for Zeke. How about a big hand for Zeke Cloud walking up the beach now? Zeke Cloud.
Yeah, pretty close. No, it is pretty close. That come up over here.
That's why I told the guys here.
Everybody gonna get wet if that thing comes over here.
That's why I was run off.
Good to see you.